Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is about these three different kinds of LEDs that I bought from China. We have two THT style LEDs and these SMD LEDs. Now this was originally only a film for my mailbag video, however I decided this is very interesting to make its own video about. So in this video I will compare them and show you the performance. Without further ado, let's get started. To the LEDs, I do have a whole bunch of different LEDs. I've got 50, I think it's 50 of these LEDs over here. Now they are all white and more in the neutral spectrum. They have a really small dome, not really big. And I've bought other ones that have a bigger dome, and I only got 20 of them. Funny thing is, I've got 50 of these for the same price as 20 of these. The difference is the brightness of these, I can't remember, but they were essentially, I think, two times or 2.2 times brighter than these ones. At least they were advertised to be much brighter. Well, 2 times or even more. So I'm really interested to see if this is actually true, and also I'm going to use them for another few projects. Like, you see, when I'm filming here, sometimes I still have problems with shadows, so what I'm going to do is make small LED lights, and I will make a ring light for my smartphone or for my microscope, because okay, so this is my microscope. It's actually camera with macro lens, and I'm going to make a ring surrounding the lens with a few LEDs, so that I have a direct light coming surrounding the lens to light up the area I try to film. Because if you saw previous videos, soldering videos and stuff like that, it was always relatively dark. Although there's a lot of light surrounding it. I do have two table lamps on each side and a big LED panel on top. But still it's too dark, so I will make a ring light for my microscope and a ring light for my smartphone. And I wasn't sure what LED I'm going to use, so have to figure that out. But let's take a look at the brightness. And let's start with the small ones. So they are 3-volt lights, so I have to go to 3-volt and not start with 12-volt. That would not be good. And let's turn it on. See, it's really bright. Let's turn off the lights. There it is. Okay, so now the only light within my room is coming through a window. And this LED is now producing all the light. The single LED, and look at that, that's really bright, and it's only one. Now it's obviously not as bright as the combined power of all my lamps, because if I remember correctly, the overhead LED panel is like 20 watt and each of the lamps is 10 watts, so 40 watts of lighting power, LED lighting power, is not going to happen with this 0.02 watt of lighting power that this LED has. Yeah, but it's really bright. Now let's see how it compares to the other LED, the one that should be 2 times as bright. Yeah, it's definitely brighter, but that's interesting. So this is more like focused, but it's not really much brighter. Not like 2 times. Yeah, I'm not sure what. Yeah, that's, well, it's focused, which can be nice. If I'm going a bit further away, they have something to them. Interesting, but let me see. Let's use the other LED. Okay, I think Yeah, I think they are actually, this is true, I think they are 2 times as bright. But because this one has more light dispersion all around and this is more focused, it looks a bit different. That's what seems to cause the difference. Yeah, this is nice. I think the smaller ones are really nice for ring light, whereas these ones, the big ones, are better for flashlights because the light is more focused. And the thing is, the bigger one consumes just as much power as the smaller one. They both only consume 0.02 watt of power. So yeah, I think they are the same. I really think they are the same. Just the bigger dome acts more as a lens and bundles the light in one direction. And I think the advertisement isn't really true. But still, they are really good, and these with a big dome for flashlights will definitely do the job. The smaller ones for ring lights or LED panels, really good. Now, the last one, oh yeah, that's funny. I just threw the LED inside, let it down, and it just got out again. Whatever. So the last LED, or LEDs, are these SMD LEDs. I think they are 1206. And we will take a look at the brightness. Oh, I don't know which way around. Let's go down in voltage. Let's go to 1 volt. And one side, the other side, nothing. This side, the other side, nothing. Let's go up in voltage. 2-3 volt. Oh yeah, that's the way. Oh, they are so bright. I just blinded myself. Oh wow, I can't see anything. Okay, oh, wow. Wait, I think the voltage is too high. Let's go back down to 1 volt. Okay, nothing happens. Go to 2 volt. Nothing happens. So they are 3 volt LEDs, but holy moly, they are 0.1 watt LEDs. So I've got a connection issue here. Okay, so this is the SMD LED, and wow, that's really bright. That's 0.14 watt of power. Nice. And doesn't get hot. Oh, that's interesting. I think I'll use these for ring lights. Now, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment down below. And other than that, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!